Here is a quick members-only video for you guys because I just happened to be sitting here and I was going through Amazon looking at microphones to add to my list for next month or the month after. I always try to plan a month ahead. And that Shure MV7 Plus microphone that they just released, the big gotcha thing that has it for me is one that the back has the USB-C input on the back instead of the old Android input for USB mode. But I never use USB mode, so I'm actually looking. I was getting ready to buy the Shure MV7X XLR only, but I was like, man, the Shure MV7 Plus, it's got that pop filter on it that seems to fit. And this is the original pop filter. And you've already heard the plosives peeking in here. It's like crazy. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. It's even worse without the pop filter. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. So I was just sitting in here like, man, before I go ahead and like add this to my list of things to get over the next month, do I have any pop filters in my studio that would work? Because what I've done in the past is I've taken the Shure MV7 pop filter, okay, just took it off this guy right here, my Shure MV7. I have a colored one that I put on here. And when I put it on, it solves the plosives problem. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. He puts pineapple on his pizza. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. It just blows my mind. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Okay, this is $9, but when you turn it like this way, it's fine. Looks great. But from the side, you can see this thing has got a serious caboose on it and a big nose. And I want it to be a little proportionate. Man, if I could just find a pop filter that was three quarters of an inch shorter. Of course, that Shure MV7 Plus looks like it's got it now. That looks like it's proportionate for those people who are anal about their microphones as I am. So I was just looking around my studio. I was like, man, is there anything around here that I could use other than these big honky chonky pop filters that make it look like it's a hairdryer more than a microphone? You're seeing the hairdryer now, aren't you? You can't get it out of your head. And then it dawned on me. My K688, I was looking at it in the background. Now, for the K688, the pop filter that comes on it is this guy right here. But as you can see, it's shorter, about a ½ inch shorter. And because of that, the capsule comes right up to the end of this pop filter, making it almost unusable on the K688 because of plosives. Same issue with the MV7. And on top of that, let me see if I can hold it the right way here. See how you can, there we go. See how you can see the light through that pop filter? I mean, that is a super thin tip to it. So there's not a whole lot of pop filter there. So not only is the capsule at the end of the pop filter, but it is easy to see through. Case in point, like here's the other pop filter, and look how little the light pops through that. Okay, not as extreme as that. I mean, that is thin, razor thin. I thought, you know what? I want to try it. So I grabbed it off my shelf. It's been sitting there for over a year, just kind of collecting dust. And I thought, let me pop it on there. So here we go. But first, before we do that, let's go back to the original pop filter. Again, plosives. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. He puts pineapple on his pizza. Proportionate. Plosive. Crazy. K688 pop filter. Proportionate. Pretty. Plosives. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. He puts pineapple on his pizza. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. He puts pineapple on his pizza. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. He puts pineapple on his pizza. The K688 pop filter has a home. It has a home on my MV7. Now, I don't feel the need to go get the Shure MV7 Plus just for the pop filter that fits on it that doesn't have plosives. I can stop using my Shure MV7 or Shure SM7B pop filters on it, which make it look like a hairdryer to me. Drives me nuts. This does not look like a hairdryer. This looks like a microphone. Ha, 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 ha. It looks like a microphone. And a cool looking one too with that little gray. And it's the fine, soft, plushy one that just makes you want to rub on it like a cat. It's just, anyways, that's all I got. I just wanted to throw a quick video on there for you guys. If you have a Shure MV7 and you're looking to get the MV7 Plus, simply because of that pop filter that will fit on it and reduce the plosives, if you happen to have a K688, throw that SM7B pop filter that you had on this thing, take it and throw it on that like I did, and it sounds great. And then throw the K688 on a Shure MV7. Ba-bam. Loving it. Anyways, I'm sure this doesn't apply to any all of you guys, but if you have a K688 and you happen to have a Shure MV7, voila. Didn't know what to do with this, so you know what? I was going to throw it out there for my members and just give you guys a treat. So there you go. Just wanted to thank you so much for joining the channel and being a member, and I'm going to be doing stuff like this all the time where I'm just tinkering with stuff in my studio, and when I come up with a cool idea and it works and it looks cool, it's a members video. Because you know what? I want it to be, because you guys are awesome. Anyways, there you go. Just want to throw something in there for you guys to watch. Appreciate you. Love you guys. And until I see you guys in the next video, I'm out.